friends! I'm here to share to you what I love about multiplication. But first, I need you to understand adding equal groups. Here's my example. There are 3 groups. Each group has 2 cars. How many cars are there overall? This is how we count this using adding equal group. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6, right? Or 3 twos is also equal to 6. Therefore, there are 6 cars overall. But if you write it in multiplication sentence, this will become 3 times 2 equals 6. Here's another example. There are 4 rings. Each ring has 3 wrestlers, so let's solve this using adding equal groups. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. Or 4 trees equals 12. There are 12 wrestlers overall. So let's write it to multiplication sentence. It's 4 times 3 equals 12.